Today was a magical day in the jungle because Leo was about to discover a tiny secret of nature.
Leo looked closely and saw tiny little eggs on a leaf.
Wow, what are these?
Suddenly, crack! A tiny caterpillar came out,
Hello, little friend.
said Leo. The caterpillar was very hungry. It kept eating and eating.
Munch, munch, munch.
Soon, the tiny caterpillar became bigger and bigger.
You're growing so fast.
Then something amazing happened. The caterpillar wrapped itself into a chrysalis. Leo waited patiently. Inside the chrysalis, a big change was happening.
And then, wow, a beautiful butterfly came out.
The butterfly spread its wings and flew into the sky.
You're so beautiful.
Leo laughed.
Leo learned something new today. Egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly. Did you enjoy the butterfly adventure? Come back soon for more fun with Leo.